Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss question paper 4161. First question is, which one of the following is not written by George Eliot? Not. This one is, the answer is The Waves, because it's written by Virginia Woolf. Next is, which work of George Orwell offers his personal account of his experience fighting in the Spanish Civil War? The answer is Homage to Catalonia. The Song of Love and Death is a part of which of the following work of Sarojini Naidu? The answer is The Broken Wing. Which literary device is used in this line? My love is like a sweet, sweet rose. The answer is simile. Because यहाँ पे लाइक और एस का कंपैरिजन दिखाया जाता है सिमिली में. नेक्स्ट है, द ह्यूमर थ्योरी दैट इज फंडामेंटल टू द कॉमेडी ऑफ ह्यूमर इज फाउंडेड इन द डिसिप्लिन ऑफ. द आंसर इज साइकोलॉजी. विच वर्क बाय अलेक्जेंडर पोप सेलिब्रेटेड गॉडेस डलनेस? द आंसर इज द डंसियार्ड. Who wrote the preface for Mulk Raj Nand Untouchable? The answer is E.M. Foster. Which 20th century poet, dramatist, and critic wrote the following essays? Tradition and Individual Talent, The Metaphysical Poet, Hamlet and His Problem. The answer is T.S. Eliot. Which of these is a work by Sarojini Naidu? The Penguin Barrier. Shame is written by Salman Rushdie. Fasting Feasting, Anita Desai. Discovery of India, Khushwant Singh. Who called Johnson the father of English comedy? Charles Gilson. Which celebrated writer wrote In Custody, which was later made into a movie by Merchant Evo Productions? The answer is Anita Desai. Who wrote Every Man Out of His Humor? The answer is Ben Jonson. The Castle Spectator is work written by M.G. Lewis. Next, which one of the following has been written The Strider and the Second Side? The answer is A.K. Ramanujan. Which one of following is not a poem written by John Keats? Endymion, Hyperion, The Eve of Astigny, The Two Skylark. The Two Skylark is the answer because it's written by B.B. Shelley. Choose the correct option as an example of ballad, which is a folk song or orally transmitted poem in a direct manner. Some popular story usually taken from an incident in the local history or legend. The Coleridge, the rhyme of Ancient Mariner. The Shepherd calendar appeared in which of the following publishing year? 1579. Which of these genres were largely unconspicuous in the Augustan age? That is drama. Northanger Abbey is satire on Gothic novel. Ted Hughes' Shakespeare and Goddess of Complete Being is inspired by Robert Graves, The White Goddess. A vindication of rights of women is written as a path-breaking treatise on women's freedom. Who wrote this work? Mary Wollstonecraft. Samuel Beckett won the Nobel Prize in Literature 1969. Fire on the Mountains writer, written by Anita Desai. A Tale of Tub, publishing year 1704. Kurtz is a successful ivory trader is a novel Heart of Darkness written as a critique of European colonial rule in Africa. Who is the novelist Joseph Conrad? Which one of the following is not example of dramatist monologue? The Odd. Odd is written by Baby Shelley. It belongs to second generation poet. Sir Richard Steele and Joseph Edson contributed some of Most illuminating essay in the century named the prodigal essay that started the Tatler. The answer is Tatler and the Spectator. It was published in 1711. Name the last novel by Thomas Hardy, which was burned in the street of London and focused on the issue of class, education, religion, mortality, and marriage and the vindication of women. He was marriage in the Victorian age, the Jude the Obscure. Which one of the writer wrote the novel Dark Room, The Arcade Narayan? Elizabethan age sees the height of which is called the period of in English literature the Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth or revival of adult literature. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. Which of the following famous novels begin with the sentence "The Pride and Prejudice" 1813, written by Jane Austen? The Waverley novel was written by Sir Walter Scott. In which of these dramatist works will you find the character Vladimir and Estragon Samuel Beckett? Which of the following has not been written by the great metaphysical poet John Donne to his coy mistress? It's written by Andrew Marvell. Choose a term for an elaborately formal lyric poem addressed to a person and an abstract entity which is serious and elevated in a tone. Addressed to two people, addressed to someone is called ode. An ode. Which of the George Eliot novels described in Virginia Woolf as one of us few English novels written by grown-up people in middle March? A novel Yellow is written by Steve Smith, which is an abstract technique. Samuel Richardson, because Camille is credited with the first novel is written in 1740. The answer is Samuel Richardson. Which of the following was Coleridge attempted to elucidate his philosophical insight as a reaction to Wordsworth's theory of poetry and enchanted in his preface to Lyric Ballad Biography Literaria? Which of the following in-stream mechanism is used for the producing sound? The pulmonic in-stream mechanism. Who is acknowledged as a founder of modern linguistics and semiology, who led the foundation structuralism and post-structuralism? Fernando Sousa. At the end of As You Like It, which of the following appears at the Deus Ex Machina, a good intervention to resolve an impasse at the end of the plot? Hyman. ठीक है? Other about our question thou art free. Arnett wrote this is in a famous sonnet to whom it addressed to Shakespeare. Mahatma Gandhi was influenced by Ruskin book and the recount his experience in autobiography. My experiment with truth named the Ruskin book unto this last. Which of the following is a verse drama written by Robert Browning? This is Pippa Passes. Name the Nobel laureate and Pulitzer Prize winner, great novelist who wrote Grave's Wrath, a novel set against the backdrop of the Great Depression. The answer is option C. Emily poured under the sediment Alice Bell. Elizabeth is marked the period of 1558 to 1603. 1603. Answer is D option. In 2000, London-born Indian-American writer Zumpa won the Pulitzer Prize in Fiction for her debut short story collection, The Name of the Interpreter of Melodies. Identify the term the literary work which traces the growth of historical personage, artist, magician, and writer. The answer is Constable Roman. Thank you for watching. आज हम 1 to 50 क्वेश्चन को हमने सॉल्व किया है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम नेक्स्ट 50 करेंगे. ठीक है. तो इससे पहले अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। तो वहाँ हम हर रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे, ठीक है। तो हमने गैलीकार्ड का जो पेपर है वो हमने सॉल्व किया है। तो आई होप कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट 50 जल्दी ही सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है। थैंक यू।